Howdy, Chris Capell here at Dizzy Pig headquarters. We hope you're doing well during this challenging time. There's a lot of sacrifices everybody is making, and a lot more people are cooking at home right now, which is why we're still here, because we're putting out a lot of charcoal and seasonings so people can cook at home. I know everybody's making like sacrifices, so we wanted to pony up. We're doing a 15% off online sale through April. So anything you order on the Dizzy Pig website is 15% off. This is the coupon code right here, home cooking. Put that in, like when you check out, you'll get 15% off. You also get free shipping over $70. All the seasonings we have in stock right now. And so I just wanted to let you know about that sale. It goes through April. You get Dizzy Pig right to your door. I'll tell you a little bit about what's going on around here. Our retail store here is open from 10 to 5, Monday through Saturday. We're still here. We are legally allowed to have up to 10 people in the store, but we have decided nobody is coming in the store. We have between 2 and 4 employees here each day. Everybody else is working from home. We're taking it seriously. We're wiping down the surfaces. We're washing our hands frequently. So we are here for you. We have curbside pickup. So all you need to do is give us a call at that number, and we'll be happy to help you. We'll do all your shopping for you. Just let us know what you need. If you have any questions what we have in the store, just give us a call. We'd be happy to show you through it. Just real quick, I'm going to show you what we have. A lot of people are coming in buying charcoal, so we still have a decent stock. We're running low on some, but the big green egg charcoal we have in the 10-pound bags now. We have an order that we placed last week for more. We've got the Fogo Premium. We've got the Fogo Super Premium. We've got the new Jealous Devil. And we have a little bit of Rockwood left. We've also placed an order with them, and hopefully we'll be getting that soon. We have wood chunks over here, plenty of wood chunks, hickory, cherry, apple. We got sassafras, we got peach, post oak, alder, and pecan. And the rest of the store is all stocked up. So feel free to come in. If you got extra time at home and you're working on your big green egg, we've got all the parts and accessories and gadgets, anything you need. If it's a gasket, if it's a band, if it's a hinge, if you want to upgrade to the new bands, we've got all that in stock. So just give us a call. So just wanted to let you know what's going on around here. Hope everything's going well in your life and you're making the best of this situation and everybody's happy and healthy.